Hello you wonderful people. Before I start this video, can I ask you to subscribe, because it helps the channel a lot. Yup, hell yeah.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you some images created by AI in 24/7 days a week. Exciting world of AI images. We'll be exploring how artificial intelligence is being used to create and manipulate images in new and innovative ways. What is AI imaging? AI imaging is a field of artificial intelligence that deals with the creation and manipulation of images using algorithms and machine learning. With the help of these techniques, computers can be taught to recognize, understand, and generate images. How is AI being used in image generation? One of the most exciting areas of AI imaging is image generation. This involves using algorithms to generate new images from scratch without the need for any human input. This can be used for a variety of applications, such as creating computer-generated art or generating realistic images for video games and movies. How is AI being used in image manipulation? AI is also being used to manipulate images in new ways. This can include tasks like removing unwanted elements from an image, such as removing the background of an image, or enhancing images by adjusting brightness and color. AI can also be used to analyze images and extract useful information, such as identifying objects in an image or detecting specific features. Conclusion: AI imaging is an exciting field that is constantly evolving. With the help of machine learning and algorithms, we're able to create and manipulate images in new and innovative ways. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for AI images. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on AI and other emerging technologies.